how to add Recaptcha to Elementor forms. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to the Google Recaptcha site and choose v3. Then add a label to identify this instance, and then you're gonna have to add your domain, then simply choose the owner email address or add a new one, and then simply accept terms and conditions and submit. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply log in into your WordPress admin and then go to settings, and then you're gonna have to simply go to integrations and then simply select Recaptcha here, and then you're gonna have to simply add here the site key and the secret key. So then after that, you're gonna have to simply add a new page, then click on edit with Elementor, and then here you're gonna have to add a form. So select form, and then you're gonna have to click on add item, and then simply select Recaptcha v3, and then simply click on publish, and that's all. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.